Hi there, students. Tabby. A tabby. So a noun. A tabby cat. A tabby is a cat, but tabby as an adjective is also the pattern. So you know this pattern that many cats have. It's typical where there's like this M on their forehead between their ears. A tabby cat has stripes down it. It's got a coat with stripes and swirls of darker fur on a lighter background. To me, a tabby cat, it's normally this greeny brown colour and grey or black, and these are in stripes, and this is a typical colour for cats. So a tabby, yeah. I've got two cats. One is a black cat and the other is a tabby. Okay, it's got these striped markings down it. A tabby cat. It's a cat with this grey mottled coat, patchy grey, brown and black colouring. Okay, a domestic cat with striped fur going up and down. So a tabby, it's a domestic cat, but this refers to the markings. Yeah, the background is probably brown, and then there are lines across the black lines across it, and this is the a tabby. It's not a specific breed. It's a colouring pattern. You can even have an orange tabby, who the cat is orange and oranges and browns, but it's still got this tabby lined pattern, a little bit like a tiger, but not so. The stripes are not as distinct. Okay, so a tabby cat. Let's see, there are all sorts of tabbies. Mackerel striped tabby, that's more of a green one. A classic blotched tabby. A ticked tabby, a spotted tabby, an orange tabby. Okay, so there are lots and lots of tabbies. I wonder what type of tabby yours is. Yeah, not all cats are tabbies. Some are a pure colour, normally either white or black. Could be marmalade orange as well. But most cats have this pattern, and the thing that's most distinctive is this. It looks like an M on their forehead, yeah, which is what makes a tabby. Now, this word tabby, it's also a word for a particular type of expensive silk, yeah. And both words, I think, come from the same thing. I think the tabby, when it's talking about silk, is a watered silk, and it's got lines in it. Now, let's see, the word a tabby cat, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. But the origin's quite interesting. It comes from 17th century French tabis, which itself comes from Arabic. Atabi, which from Atabiya, which is an area in Baghdad, which was named after a prince, Atab, and this area was associated with this particular type of waved or stripy watered silk, and that's where the tabby cat actually gets its name. Okay, so a tabby cat. I think the type of silk is a very unusual meaning, and if you say a tabby, people are immediately going to understand that you are talking about a cat. Yeah. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. So bye for now. A tabby cat.